Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to point a domain to your website. Now I have a Laravel demo website hosted in this IP. So now I will show you how to point a domain from Namecheap to this EC2 instance. So the first thing you're going to do is buy a domain. Let's go to Namecheap. You can search a domain. I example is on available domain you can buy. So now let's look at the domain. You just need buy a domain and after you buy a domain, you click on this dashboard and click on domain list. So here on domain I buy it. So in this video I'm going to show you how to configure a domain in dcmbook.com to EC2 instance. So click on this and mainnet and click on advanced DNS. So here is IP of your host. You just need to create 3 records, host and value. To get IP of the EC2 instance, you go to the console. Click on EC2 instance running. Is the public IP. I can copy this IP and go to the browser, hit enter. Here's the demo site. But I think you should allocate a new elastic IP. Let's scroll to elastic IP here. Because after you restart or create a new instance, the IP of the instance will change. But the elastic IP will not change. You can allocate for the new instance if you want. Here is the associated instance ID. Either running instance here. So you will copy the elastic IP. Let's go to the elastic IP here. Here. You need to copy this IP. Because I already associated. Or if you uh, create a new IP, you can click on here, associate IP address, and select instance, and hit associate. So in this demo, I will use this IP with the running instance. You can test by click on this. So copy that IP and pass the value in here. And click on this check icon. I think you need to wait for a day or about 12 hours and then go to the browser and type this domain. HTTP. So now we already acquire a domain from Namecheap to our EC2 instance. To check the IP of this domain, you can run this command. Ping and type the domain. Here is the IP of the domain. Is equal to the elastic IP that we configured. And don't forget setting up the security. That's allow the port 80 or the website. So that's it. It's easy to point a domain to your EC2 instance. And the next video, I will show you how to add a free HTTPS using Certbot. So please subscribe for my channel and thank you for watching.